Hello children, hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss class 3 chapter birds. In this chapter we will learn all about birds. We can see birds almost everywhere. Birds sitting on a tree, birds flying in the sky, birds sitting on your rooftop. You can see in the picture. Now let's learn some parts of a bird's body. That is head, crown, eyes, wings, tail, leg, feet, claws, down feather, breast, throat and beak. We will learn about important parts of bird's body. Now learn how birds fly. Birds fly with the help of wings. Wings are joined to the body with strong muscles that help them to move. To fly, birds flap its wings both in upward and downward direction. These strokes called upstroke and downstroke respectively. Feathers. A bird's body and wings are covered with many feathers. There are three kinds of feathers. First one, body feather, cover a bird's body. Down feathers are fluffy and soft. They keep the birds warm. Flight feathers are found mainly on wings and are meant for flying. Did you know, children? A hummingbird can flap its wings 90 times in just 1 second. Now let's see, birds are in various color and sizes. Look at the picture and name them. The name are crow, hen, parrot and eagle. Birds do not have teeth, they have beaks. Let us discuss about beaks. A bird uses its beaks to catch and eat food. There are different kind of birds have different kind of beaks. Birds such as sparrow and pigeon eat nut and seeds. These birds have strong, short and hard beaks. Flesh-eating birds such as eagle, vulture and hawk feed on small birds and animals. They have strong beaks. Birds such as woodpecker have strong pointed beaks. Such beaks help them to make hole and pull out insect. Hoopoe uses its beak to look for food inside existing tree holes. Water birds such as duck and goose have broad and flat beaks. Birds such as sunbird have long and pointed beaks which help to suck nectar. Thank you children and keep learning.